Welcome to Cricknuts, cricket recaps and insights.
In the New Jersey Hub's colossal clash of the Crickmax Conquerors, under 15 category, the Crickmax destroyers lock horns with RRANJ Lynx. The stage is set for a tale of youthful exuberance and strategic masterclass.
The destroyers, wielding willows and lynx, ready with leather, the toss won by Lynx sets the pitch for an epic saga. Expect fireworks as these young gladiators battle for supremacy.
A thunderous innings by the destroyers sets a mountainous target, as Lynx falters under the immense pressure. The match unfolds into an unmistakable narrative of dominance and submission.
From the might of destroyers' blades to the stifled roars of the lynx, the turning points came thick and fast. The clash was less of a battle, more of an exhibition of might against meek.
The destroyers blazed through their innings with Adit Kappa and Arsh Shah stitching a partnership colossal in ambition and execution. Lynx's bowling attack, scattered to the winds, had little answer to the onslaught.
As the score mounted, so did the lynx's woes. The strategy, seemingly to contain, unraveled at the seam. The immense total was a testament to destroyers' aggressive intent and execution.
The lynx's innings crumbled like a house of cards in a breeze. The disciplined destroyers' bowling, led by Vihan Mehta, dismantled any semblance of a chase, turning it into a procession.
The young lynx were caught in a web spun by Mehta and his cohort. The innings never took flight, with wickets tumbling in a spectacle of clinical bowling and pressure.
Adit Kappa's blade roared the loudest, carving the lion's share of runs. Arsh Shah's explosive knock and Vihan Mehta's bowling wizardry etched them as the match heroes.
It was Kappa's marathon innings and Mehta's spell that tilted the scales irrevocably. Their performances not only defined the match but will resonate as a lesson in dominance and precision.
The destroyers, living up to their name, decimated Lynx with a staggering 341-run victory. It was their day, their match, a result forged by fearless batting and incisive bowling.
A result that will echo through time, a victory monumental, a defeat humbling. The destroyers etched their supremacy on the scoreboard and the hearts of their admirers. As the dust settles on this chapter of the colossal clash, history will remember the day the destroyers left an indelible mark. For Lynx, it's back to the drawing board.
Memories of this day will linger, as the destroyers' triumph tales will be told and retold. It's a victory that does not just win matches but builds legacies for these young cricketers.